We all know that feeling. It's 3 a.m. You just watched a motivational video and suddenly you are possessed. You are going to change your entire life starting tomorrow. But then morning comes. That burst of energy is gone, replaced by the same old resistance. You hit snooze, you feel guilty, and you wonder, what is wrong with me? The answer is simple. Nothing is wrong with you, but there is something wrong with your strategy. You were trying to build a skyscraper using only willpower. Neuroscience tells us that willpower is a finite resource. It's like a battery that drains with every decision you make. Relying on it for long-term change isn't just difficult, it is scientifically unsustainable. It's time to stop treating self-improvement as a test of character and start treating it as an engineering problem. Welcome to Systematic Self. This channel isn't about hype or drama, it's about understanding your brain's operating system and designing structures that make success inevitable. We don't rely on how we feel, we rely on the systems we build. Forget the 3 a.m. motivation burst. Let's build something that lasts. If you're tired of the cycle of starting and failing, subscribe. It's time to become the architect of your own life.